Hi everyone, it's Jill here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sea turtle out of Play-Doh. Now, what you need is green Play-Doh and yellow Play-Doh, and that's pretty much all you need. So first, to make the turtle shell, you take some green Play-Doh and you just roll it into a ball. Then you flatten that ball and make it into a circle. Just don't make it too thin. Keep it, pretty thick like that. Then after, you're going to take a Play-Doh container, put the circle on top and flatten it. Then you fold the sides around the edges to make like a bowl shape, and this will be the turtle shell. So after, you take it off, and then you can just make the edges more like a dome shape, and that's the turtle shell. Next, the next part is you just take some yellow Play-Doh and roll into a ball again and flatten it. Make it more of an oval shape, so it kind of looks like this. This is going to be like the inside shell, so it'll just go on top of the outer shell. I'll show you how to put that together later. Next, you're going to do the turtle body, and you need just take some yellow Play-Doh, some green Play-Doh, maybe smaller bits first. Then you're just going to mix it in together to make a lighter shade of green. So just move it around with your fingers, maybe more yellow. Just make it so it's a lighter shade of green than the shell. This kind of green for the shell kind of looks like more blue-green. So just green, so it looks like that. Just blend in the colors and make more if you need to. So I'm just going to make some more of the green. Okay, so over here I have a pretty good amount of green. So I'm just going to mold a turtle body. So I'm going to start with the head, just form a little head over there. And then I'm going to place that inside the shell. So there's the head. Just pinch it upwards, like that. And I'm going to mix some more to make arms and feet. Okay, so I've made more light green. So I'm just going to take some bits to make hands or flippers. So just stick it on the inside of the sea turtle. Just make like little flippers, just kind of like flattened ovals or something. Then attach it. You can even add a little bit more for a tail. Just roll it and stick it at the back. Then to secure it, you will take that piece of yellow Play-Doh you made from earlier and just stick it on and just attach it, pinch it to the shell so it fits nicely. Just keep moving it just to secure the flippers and tail. And yeah, so that's basically the turtle. You can also carve some shapes on the turtle if you want. Just gonna carve some, I guess, hexagons on the back. So I just made some carvings on the shell and also on the inside, just some lines. You can also add a face or poke some eyes, like make some eyes with, I don't know, some tools or a toothpick. Like just make eyes there. And yeah, that's basically how you make a sea turtle out of Play-Doh. So yeah, it's pretty easy. And I guess you could leave it to dry or just use this. So yeah, that's basically it. Bye everyone!